Too legit. Too legit.
What's up, YouTube? So today I am finally carving my pumpkin that I got. If you see my last video, you see I went to the pumpkin patch with my friend Malaysia. So I've been sick for a week, but now I'm finally carving my pumpkin. I'm excited. So I've been watching. This is my first time carving a pumpkin. I've never done it before, so I've been watching TikToks. So I got the stuff that they said I need. So I got my pumpkin, I got a spoon, got some scissors, got a Sharpie, I got a knife, and I also got this like bottle opener type thing, but it would be good for sharp objects. I didn't get the normal pumpkin open stuff. And then also got me a template I'm gonna use. This is my template, and then I got some tape for me to tape on there. So we're gonna go through the process of me carving this pumpkin to see if I'm ever gonna do this again. Because if it goes bad today, I will never carve a pumpkin again. Oh, I also got a bag to put the insides of the pumpkin in, since I'm doing it in my living room. So yes, so here's my bag. So let's get into carving this pumpkin. So from the many TikTok videos I've seen, the common thing that made sense to me was kind of like, instead of cutting this part open and taking it out, one TikTok video in particular said I should flip it over and take it all out the bottom. So I'm gonna do that. So let's get into me doing that. Alright, so I finally got the bottom out. I mean, the pumpkin don't stink. Maybe I just don't like the smell of pumpkin, but it don't smell right. But now I just gotta get the guts out. Getting the daggone bottom of it off was actually not as was actually harder than I expected. So I'm assuming, I thought taking the guts out would be easy, so I'm gonna go with it might be harder than I expected. So all right, let's get these guts out. I definitely got all the C's out. Let's see. But that's all I'm gonna do for the insides of it, because like I said, this was way harder. The lady on the TikTok had like an egg beater. She used an egg beater. I don't got an egg beater, so all I got is a KitchenAid, so I can't get everything out. But I think I got enough out to where I could put a candle in it and I should be fine. I don't plan on lighting it every night anyway, because I'm gonna have it out on my balcony. So, oh, I got some more out. But yeah, at least all the C's are out though. Alright, so next I'm gonna get a plate, put this on the plate so I don't have to put it on the ottoman. And then I'm gonna start drawing on it. I'm gonna use my template that I showed earlier. So this is what I'm trying to get. Honestly, I might cut this out and tape it, because I do got tape. Cut it out, tape it, and trace it. Boom. Yeah, that's exactly what I'm gonna do actually. Cut it out, tape it, and trace it. Boom. Alright, see you in the next clip. I'm still getting guts out of here. Alright, see you in the next clip. So I got my template on. I still have to put the nose right there, but I feel like these little noses that I had wasn't it, so I'm gonna just draw my own nose. So here's my template, and now I'm about to start drawing and carving. All right, yeah. All right, where's my Sharpie? We're gonna draw. Let's see how this goes. Can I turn it like this? Yeah, I can. All right, period. All right, we got it drawn out. All right, my camera's about to die, so I'm gonna stop here and charge it, and then we'll be back with me carving it actually out. All right, I'm back, and this is where we left off at. So now I'm gonna just cut everything off. I didn't draw a nose yet, so I'm gonna draw the nose after I cut everything else and see what it look like, because I kind of like it without no nose, but I feel like my jack-o'-lantern needs a nose, so let's get the cutting. eyebrow and one eye. And I don't even got the eye all the way out, but I think I'm gonna leave it how I got it for now to see how it goes and not like poke it all the way out. So let me do the other eyebrow and the other eye. But this is what I got so far. Oh, the mouth is gonna be hard already, I can tell that. All right, let's get back into this. So now we have both eyebrows and both eyes done. That honestly was so hard. I didn't think carving a pumpkin would be this hard. Maybe it's because I'm not using the right utensils. Like I'm just using a knife and a wine opener. But this is hard. So I know this mouth finna be hard as a mug. So let me test it with my phone again and see how it's looking. If I put a candle in it, let's see. I wonder if you can see it on the camera. No, you can't see it. But let me look at it. Ooh, that looks good. Okay. All right, let me get onto this mouth. Okay. Oh. So I just got the mouth out. Let's see how we're looking. Ooh, that looks good. All right. Now I just gotta clean it up. This looks good. I gotta get all this out. But this looks good. Oh, dang. This looks good. Let me see if I can clean this up a little bit. I gotta use the real knife and not this one. I'm excited to light a candle and put this on my balcony. Oh, wow. I might have to do a jack-o'-lantern again. Okay, let me fix up the teeth. Alright, so I think I'm done with my pumpkin. I think I'm gonna just rinse it off now. But this is the finished product. For my first time carving a pumpkin, it is actually not bad. And then so now I'm gonna take it outside and put it on my balcony. I'm gonna burn this candle. Let's see. I'm gonna burn this candle under it. I'm only gonna do it for like maybe a little bit, because you know I'm actually scared of fire, so it ain't gonna be burning for too long. But I'm gonna make sure I get it. So let's go put it on my balcony. I'm excited. Let me get a lighter. My special lighter. Alright, so I'm outside on my balcony and I got my pumpkin and I got my candle. So we're about to light the candle. Oh, fancy lighter. Alright, my candle's lit. Oh, it went out. Okay. Alright. Candle's lit. Oh, this smells good. I should probably have it pointed out, but I ain't gonna see it. If it's pointing out, I'm not gonna see it. Alright, the candle's lit. Oh my god, it's so cute. Let's get the... Look at my little jack-o'-lantern. This is cute. That is adorable. I decided to go with no nose because I feel like I look like I got 4 eyes on my pumpkin at the moment, so what's the need for a nose? We could just act like this the nostrils and these are the eyes, and we just don't got no eyebrows. But this is my cute old pumpkin, and it smells good. It smells like cinnamon chai. I really like my pumpkin though. Like I might get another one so it won't be out here by itself, and I might carve another one. This is really cute. I might have to definitely do it again. But this is also the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe to my channel, and see you whenever I see you again, because yeah. Bye.